I am going to show you how to fly a plane. You can click flight school, you can learn the basics. Those you already learn when you get into the game. You can do the Cessna takeoff, Cessna landing, Cessna traffic patterns, super takeoff, the airbus landing, war navigation, and flying and ILS approach. You can learn helicopter basics. You can learn all of these things, bombing targets on the ground and stuff. But today I will explain you everything in detail. So we'll go into the Cessna takeoff. What did I just click? I did that. Okay, we are in the Cessna takeoff. Just tap when you are comfortable of holding your device. So Cessna takeoff, you can read that if you want, but I'm already going to explain. So tap this, or in the Cessna there is just hit this. That's okay. The plane needs to go at 55 knots. Yeah, full. And there's okay, I didn't pay attention, but it's okay. I'll just crash. Like that. That is the type of way you crash if you don't pay attention, and then you just retry. You can do this again and again and explain, but you won't need to if you are a pro. So next, so you can just do this. You can do that actually. There's also a brake button over there which I will show you. So let it get up to 55 knots. Aim it down so it doesn't okay, this 55 knots, and then you slowly bring the nose up and hold it. So you just need to climb at 74 knots to 1,500 feet. So keep doing it. You'll slowly get there. To do that and stuff. And then keep it at 74 knots. Don't go slow. It's better if you don't go slower. And you can see I have tilted a little bit of the runway. The runway is huge. And keep climbing slowly. You can see we are already halfway there in this altitude meter. The short hand is the thousands and the long hand is the hundreds. Simple. So keep climbing until you get Now start lowering your nose, and this thing should be at 0 when you are at 15,000 feet. Okay, keep it at 0. To maintain it, unlike me who can't, it's better if you maintain it. Yeah, but nicely flown and you have passed. It's simple. But you've done that. Now I will show you how to do the Cessna landing if you want. But only if we get 2 likes on this video and 3 subscribers. Goodbye.